Hello everyone, welcome to your channel. In this video, I want to introduce you to 10 celebrities who are interested in luxury cars. If you are watching my video for the first time, I would be happy if you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the rest of the videos. Luxury cars have always been a symbol of status and opulence, and it's no surprise that many celebrities indulge in their love for high-end automobiles. From sleek sports cars to lavish SUVs, these stars have a taste for the finer things in life. Let's take a closer look at 10 famous celebrities and their fascinating interests in luxury cars. Number 10. Kim Kardashian. Reality TV star Kim Kardashian is no stranger to the world of luxury, and her Ferrari 458 Italia is a testament to that. The sleek and powerful Italian sports car perfectly complements Kim's glamorous image, adding a touch of sophistication to her impressive car collection. Number 9. Lewis Hamilton. Formula One champion Lewis Hamilton is not only known for his racing prowess but also for his love of high-performance luxury cars. His collection includes a range of high-speed Ferraris, sleek Mercedes-Benz models, and more. Number 8. Arnold Schwarzenegger. Action star and former Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger has a unique taste in luxury cars. Arnold Schwarzenegger is very fond of powerful vehicles. His collection includes the Hummer H1, the rugged yet luxurious Mercedes-Benz Unimog U1300, showcasing his love of off-road adventures in a powerful and capable vehicle. Number 7. Rihanna. Rihanna, the queen of pop and fashion, is often seen driving her sleek Porsche 911 Turbo S. The sports car perfectly complements her dynamic personality, offering a thrilling and stylish ride that matches her on-stage presence. Number 6. Jennifer Lopez. Jennifer Lopez, a global icon, adds a touch of British sophistication to her collection with an Aston Martin DB7. The elegant and stylish Grand Tourer perfectly aligns with J.Lo's glamorous image, making a statement wherever she goes. Number 5. Lady Gaga. Known for her eccentric style, Lady Gaga adds a touch of extravagance to her collection with a Lamborghini Huracan. The sleek and powerful sports car is a reflection of Gaga's fearless and avant-garde persona, making a statement both on and off the stage. Number 4. Kylie Jenner. As the youngest self-made billionaire, Kylie Jenner has an impressive collection of luxury cars. Her fleet includes multiple customized Rolls-Royces, each reflecting her unique taste and style. From vibrant colors to personalized interiors, Kylie's Rolls-Royces are as bold as her personality. Number 3. Jay-Z. The hip-hop mogul Jay-Z is known for his affinity for luxury cars, and one brand that stands out in his collection is Maybach. With its opulent design and exclusivity, Maybach perfectly complements Jay-Z's sophisticated lifestyle. Number 2. David Beckham. Former football icon David Beckham is a known Bentley enthusiast. With its combination of elegance and performance, Bentley cars align perfectly with Beckham's taste for refined style both on and off the field. Number 1. Justin Bieber. Pop sensation Justin Bieber has a taste for the extraordinary. His car collection includes a Lamborghini Aventador, a Ferrari 458 Italia, and a Cadillac CTS-V, showcasing his love for both speed and style.